Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your phone number on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you are signed into the correct account. Once the app opens, tap the profile icon located in the top corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, find and tap Personal Information. Here, you will see the contact details connected to your Cash App account, including your current phone number. Tap your current phone number to continue. On the next screen, select Add Phone or Email. Enter your new phone number carefully, then continue to the verification step. Cash App will send a verification code to your new number. Enter the code when prompted to confirm that you own the phone number. After the verification is complete, your new phone number will be added to your Cash App account. If you no longer use your old phone number, you can remove it after making sure the new one has been successfully added. Thanks for watching.